playing all the right notes. 3 Ladies Island Middle School students have made the South Carolina Band Directors Association Region 4 Band. The student musicians were shocked and excited when they found out they made the band.
I kind of thought I misheard him for a second, but then I felt like I was better than I thought, and then I thought my parents would be proud of me.
I didn't believe it at first, but then when I realized it was true, I was just very proud of myself, and I was glad that I made it.
I thought, wow, I can't believe I actually did this. I didn't have any doubt in my mind that I wouldn't have gotten it, but I'm very appreciative that I got it anyway.
Normally, the students would try out for the band in person. However, due to COVID-19 restrictions, the students had to go online and submit a video of themselves playing their instruments.
They went through a virtual audition process, which is very different from what, years past. But what they had to do was prepare their solo, scales, and chromatic scale since October and perform it on an app called Hard Out.
The students have been practicing hard all school year, including at home and on the weekends.
We were practicing every Sunday and Wednesday since October. So every Sunday they would come to the band room and I would give them 45 minutes lessons apiece. And then every Wednesday you'd be on Zoom for about 20 minutes.
Every day I came home and I practiced the solo and the scales. And then it was nice to have that time with Mr. Peterson over Sunday so that he could teach me one-on-one, because in a band it's hard to teach everyone one-on-one like that. And then on Wednesday practices, they were a bit harder because we weren't in person, but it was still nice to have that.
The Region 4 Band is made up of middle school students from 8 South Carolina counties. At Ladies Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.